Today we're trying Pacho's burger truck. First look at the Pacho smash. Holy fuck. Beautiful tender meat and the burgers are saucy, which I absolutely love. Oklahoma smash with some special sauce. The jalapeno smash and cheeseburger. Dip in the burger because of free will. Cheeseburger with some potato tots and add some of their special sauce. Here's a bite for you.
I made my wrong.
We got a Shrek burrito. This bigger than a newborn. She too thick.
Hi Cookies, so tonight I made some dinner. I made homemade mac and cheese with some crock pot chicken and then corn. Let's just get into it because the bitch is starved. Focus, baby girl. Oh my god, bro. Round of applause to me. Fall off the bone chicken. Bro. Hot. Mmm.
Say ah. 잘했어, 조셉. 진짜 잘했어. Larry the Lobster. So good. Cheesy garlic bread. Say ah.
I know I wasn't the only one that made this as a kid. You gotta get the cinnamon Pop-Tarts. Cinnamon Pop-Tart turkey bacon sandwich. Actually, you take the first bite. The only Pop-Tarts I like are the cinnamon. The rest of the Pop-Tarts are nasty. There's no other Pop-Tarts. But y'all know those people speak to them once or twice, and then every time you see them, they think that y'all gotta speak. That's weird, right? Or am I tripping? What's wrong with just being cordial with strangers? That don't mean we gotta be friends. It'll be somewhere you go all the time. Maybe a grocery store you visit all the time, right? And you speak to that one associate that worked there, and then every time they see you after that, they gotta speak to you. Or they gotta come up with a conversation like,
today I have egg foo young. So I got it with fried rice. The omelet has onions, bean sprouts, and the gravy has shrimp, chicken, mushroom, and bamboo. The omelet. This has so much flavor.
I got Turkish doner. Eyepiece.
Oh, Dave's hot chicken again, y'all. This is the extra hot, and that's the Reaper. I've never tried the Reaper. I'm gonna try that in a different video.
I made Longhorn at home. I got them Parmesan crusted lamb chops. Let me get another one. I got loaded mash. Oh yeah, I popped it. I got the yams. Ten out of 10. I gotta put lamb chops in my rotation.
Hey guys, I'm gonna have some more of that baked potato soup, and somebody commented it gave me the best idea to have it with a BLT, so I have a BLT on the side that I'm gonna dip in it. Then I'm gonna mix her up. I know it's hot. It tastes even better today. BLT.
What's going, twin? We got some baked ziti today. What they did behind you, twin? We got a salad. Get a bite, gang. I gave you a piece of cheese too, so be grateful. Got a little salad. Y'all, I'm sorry about that.
How can you not love Dave's hot chicken? Like, wow. This must be the extra hot. I'm gonna have to take these glasses off because they're just gonna keep falling down.
Trying the beef shawarma from Wana Shawarma and seeing if it's still worth the hype. That's so damn good. You gotta get it the Syrian style. Look at that crispy Saj bread. This place is definitely still worth the hype. Gotta get the Ariane. The tahini gives it such a nice nutty flavor. Definitely still one of the best shawarmas in the city.
What's going, twin? Today we got some buldak noodles today. What that is behind you, twin? Get out that room. I'm telling y'all, go Roger Wood, gang. Go Roger Wood.
Look at them fucking tacos, ho. I know you want some. Bokies, it's been a little minute since a bitch had the silly motherfucking BBL motherfucking tacos, okay? So we about to put the guac on top because I got my squeezed guac. These shit's about to be nasty. You hear me? I haven't had tacos in so long, y'all. Like, it's about to get crazy. I'm about to fucking body these shits. And I got all my sauces too, bitch. Yeah, it's over. Let's add my sriracha. My zesty ranch. Taco sauce, of course. Liquid cheese, baby. Gotta have a liquid cheese, honey. And it's nice and hot too. And yes, I
Cheers. Hey y'all, welcome back to my TikTok. And in today's video, we have an egg foo young, y'all, and I got it with the garlic sauce. We have Indian food. I'm gonna give you all my honest opinion. Oh no, I'm really not feeling it, y'all.
I feel like if it had more sauce, I would, but it's like really dry, honestly.
Today I have some Popeyes.
Chipotle taco? This is probably the best Chipotle taco I had. Chipotle gonna do it for me every time. Every time, y'all. Mm.